Welcome and thank you for enrolling on our course on the Quantity Surveying Academy. This course is going to give you an in-depth knowledge of how to read your structural drawings and also take off quantities and prepare a bill of quantities. What we have on the screen is a typical structural drawing that is entirely different from architectural drawings. As you can see, this is a sample of an architectural plan, and this is usually supplied by the architect, whereas the structural drawings is supplied by the structural engineer. So in order to make sure that the building construction is stable, strong enough, also durable, lasting as long as possible, you need to have a structural plan in check. So this is a simple structural drawing, and you can see it is just giving us a foundation layout, showing us the position of the column bases and the foundation footings. If you go down, you would end up seeing details of the columns of this structure. If I scroll down again, then we can now see the ground floor layout. The ground floor layout is going to show us where the columns are located. We have some beams that are also located at the ground floor and other details. So we have the first floor layout, which shows us the way the slab and the beams that are going to be placed underneath the suspended slab are actually arranged. So this is the first floor layout of this particular structure. So moving down, we also have the details about the beams. You can see if I zoom in, we have the details about the beams, showing us how the reinforcement arrangement in the beams are placed, and also it gives us full idea about the dimensions, the thickness, the width and the depth of each beam that is located in these structures. The architectural plan is quite easy to understand, but the structural drawing is a little bit different. So in this course, I'm going to be breaking down everything we need to know about how to read the structural drawings, how to carry out our measurements, the taking off for these particular drawings, and how we can prepare a complete comprehensive bill that is going to help us get the appropriate cost estimate for completing a particular project. I'm also going to be working with another complex structural plan. This one has a concrete retaining wall and it has a basement. We also have a lift shaft in this particular basement. This is a story building that is about 12 stories, although it is not completely indicated in this place, but as we go on, I will explain how you can analyze this and read them by yourself. We also have a ramp that can give easy access to move out of this particular basement. So we have the section for the basement. You can see that the basement is not exactly the same with what you've been doing, your regular kind of building construction. So it has a different engineering on its own. The basement has a lot of column bases. This whole rectangular and square stuffs that are indicated inside the basement, actually the column bases. We also have some staircase that are indicated here aside from the lift. So we have about 2 lift shafts in the basement. We have some concrete walls in the basement as well, and not just in the basement, it extends down to the other floors in this entire structure. Then we have a lot of columns, many columns. Is different from this first one that I've shown us. So mind you, in this course we are going to be dealing with this particular simple structural plan, and then we'll also be dealing with this complex structural plan, but I'll start with the simple one so that the moment you grab the idea of how to calculate and work on this simple structural plan, then we can now move down to the complex aspect. These are further details about the column bases that we'll be working with. We have the detail about the lift shaft itself. These are further details about the section through the columns. This is the ground floor slab. That means we've left the basement level down to the ground floor now. These are the details for beams. We have the full detail about the reinforcement arrangement in the suspended slabs in these structures.
To enroll for this course, all you need to do is to scroll down to the description section. You can likely click this more, and then this is the link to Udemy where you can buy the course. So this is what it looks like when you click on the link and move down to Udemy. Structural drawings, taking off, and BOQ with Planswift. And you can see that the price here is discounted at 72% off. You are going to see the price in your own currency, and if your country's currency is not listed on Udemy, then you likely see the price in dollars. All you need to do is to click on buy now and make payment, and you'll be enrolled directly into the course. If you're a Nigerian and you're having difficulty in making payments, then I've created a link for Nigerians to pay or filter with. When you click the link as Nigerian, we are going to be redirected into this particular page, the QS Academy. All you need to do is to make this payment, 8,500 naira. Insert your name, your first and last name, then your email address, and then you make payment. Immediately after making payments via Flutterwave, you are going to be redirected to Udemy with a coupon that would enable you to log in without making any extra payment. See you in the course, and I hope you enroll as fast as possible, as this promo would only be available for the next 4 days. Thank you very much.